My name is Rui Gonçalves and my age is 38. At the moment I'm living in Oporto. I had a 17-year career in motocross in the World Championship where I finished second in the world in 2009 and then I switched to rally with Sherco and now it's been my 4th year at the Dakar. Yes, it was something I followed since I was a kid and it was a little bit in the culture of Portuguese riders. We had many riders racing the Dakar, so I always followed up and grew up watching on TV and yeah, it's a dream, it's an adventure, and at the moment it's also my job, so it's a perfect combination. Dakar preparation, it's like 1 year, you know. As you finish one, you start already preparing the next one with during the year doing so many races and testing also in Morocco. That's what we do this year, that was on the program. We try to improve a little bit the bike and do a lot of testing, but yeah, it's pretty much 1 year of preparation. I finished 3rd in one stage in 2022. I mean, just follow the Sherco social media and myself also, and we have some news every day for you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy what we have for you, the content we show every day, so yeah, see you around.